Imagine a city that sways delicately on the rhythm of countless bicycles, where centuries-old houses lean over canals, their reflections shimmering on the water's surface. Picture a place where a kaleidoscope of tulips bursts with colour, and where the air hums with the chimes of church bells and the laughter of locals. Welcome to the captivating, charming city of Amsterdam. Amsterdam is a city of enchanting paradoxes. It is steep and modern, yet steeped in history. It is cosmopolitan, yet retains a small-town feel. It is orderly, yet pulsates with an ever-present undercurrent of excitement and spontaneity. A venture into the heart of Amsterdam, and you'll find that it beats with a rich, resonant history. The city's roots reach deep, back to the 12th century when a small fishing village sprouted along the River Amstel. From there, it bloomed into a bustling metropolis, its growth fueled by trade, art, and an enduring spirit of innovation. Yet it's not just the city's past that captivates, it's also the present. The city is a living, breathing artwork, its canvas splattered with the vibrant hues of the present. The art scene is a potent mix of the classical and the avant-garde, with the masterpieces of Van Gogh and Rembrandt juxtaposed against the cutting-edge installations of contemporary artists. One of the city's most enchanting spectacles unfolds every spring when Amsterdam is painted in a riot of colours. It's tulip season and the city becomes a living, breathing, impressionist masterpiece. The tulip gardens, epitomised by the Keukenhof garden, are a sight to behold. Imagine a sea of vibrant colours, a symphony of blooms stretching as far as the eye can see. Tulips of every imaginable hue vie for attention, their petals unfurling in a breathtaking spectacle of natural beauty. As the sun sets, painting the sky with hues of gold and orange, the city's charm doesn't fade. It merely changes shades. The canals reflect the twinkling lights from the houses, and the city hums with a quiet, captivating energy. Amsterdam is more than just a city. It's a symphony of experiences that blend harmoniously to create a melody that stays with you long after you've left its borders. It's a city where history, culture, and nature intertwine, creating a rich tapestry of experiences that is as diverse as it is enchanting. From the historic charm of its cobblestone streets and canal houses to the vibrant spectacle of its tulip gardens, Amsterdam is a city that invites exploration, that rewards curiosity, and that leaves you with a sense of wonder and a desire to return. It's not just a destination, it's a story waiting to be discovered. So if you're seeking an experience that transcends the ordinary, a journey that's as colourful as a field of tulips in full bloom, Amsterdam beckons. It's not just a city, it's a world of its own, a world that's waiting to welcome you with open arms.